Okay, we're going to find the perimeter of a rectangle given the length. So this problem tells us that the length of a rectangle is 5 meters longer than its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 42 meters, find its area. So we're going to use this formula here for the perimeter of a rectangle. P equals 2, and in parentheses, L plus W. L, of course, stands for length. W stands for width. Now, many times you may see the formula written as 2L plus 2W, and that simply comes from distributing the 2. But it's perfectly fine to use this form of the equation also, of the formula also. Now, we're told that the length is 5 meters longer than its width, but we are not told anything about the width. So since we are not told anything about the width, I'm going to say that the width is x, because we don't know anything about it. If the width is x and the length is 5 meters longer than its width, 5 meters longer than x is x plus 5. All right, now what we're going to do is plug in these expressions here and the perimeter into this formula here. So for P, we're going to substitute in 42. So let me draw an arrow pointing down here. I'm going to substitute in 42. And then 2, in parentheses, the expression for L is x plus 5. And the expression for W is x. So those go in there. Next up, 42 equals 2, and then we have to combine the like terms inside the parentheses. There's 2 x's, so it's going to become 2x plus 5. Okay, next up we have a few options of which way we want to go. What I'm going to do actually is divide both sides by 2 in order to get rid of this 2 that's on the outside of the parentheses here. All right, now on the right side, 2 divided by 2, they're going to divide out to 1, which is going to leave us with 2x plus 5. 42 divided by 2 is going to leave us with 21. Next up, what we're going to do is subtract 5 from both sides of the equation because we want variables on one side and numbers, or just constants, on the other side. The variables are on the right. There's no variables on the left, so we're going to move all the numbers to the left. So these 5s are going to become a 0 there. We're going to bring down the 2x. 21 minus 5 is 16. Next up, we're going to divide both sides by 2. These 2's divide out here, and we're left with x. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So going back up to the top, if x is 8, that tells us our width is 8 meters. Our length is 5 meters more than the width, so we're going to say 8 plus 5 equals 13, so the length is 13 meters. The original question actually asked us to find the area. Recall that the formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width, which sometimes you see written as LW. We're going to substitute the number of the length, which is 13, times the number of the width, which is 8. So A equals 13 times 8, and 13 times 8 is 104 meters squared. So our answer is 104 square meters.